know the best teachers work diligently to fill learning gaps as they arise, but finding time for effective intervention for every student on top of providing secondary instruction is tough. Tutorials create more opportunities for successful course-level instruction. It reduces the need for credit recovery, raises test scores, and increases graduation rates. Educators count on tutorials to find and fill knowledge gaps for 6th through 12th grade students, building the understanding each student needs for success in the course they're taking and on the test they're preparing for. Tutorials is proven to increase course and test performance. Research shows students scored up to 39% higher on math and English end of course tests. When students start learning with tutorials, brief pre-tests identify each student's readiness for course and test-specific standards and topics, allowing them to test out of what they've mastered and focus on what they need most. Tutorials then automatically provides short, interactive lessons, including dynamic text, short videos, and practice with immediate feedback to engage students and help them quickly bridge the gap to course-level learning and test success. Along the way, educators access classroom strength and needs reporting to maximize instruction time and target test prep and content reviews. Tutorials provide concept recovery that catches students up so you can propel them forward, empowering successful course-level learning and keeping students on track to college and career. Join Edmentum's partners around the world and let's accelerate students up to speed together.